Okay, this is a Polaris Ranger that we modified. It has the caregiver seat. So this particular UTV mobility quad will be driven by the caregiver, and the wheelchair will go in this area. However, the person in the chair will actually also drive. They will put their hand in here and they can control left, right, braking and throttle with only their left hand. Let me turn this on and you can see. This is designed also for a track chair, so the roof is higher, the ramp is wider, and the actual UTV is wider too, to accommodate a track chair.